We at the Summit Real Estate team are excited to be on the home stretch of the selling process. As you're moving out, you may find yourself with some questions about things that need to stay or things that need to be removed. We'd like to take a minute to walk you through this important step in the process to ensure a smooth closing for all parties.
Some of the things in this walkthrough may seem obvious and others may surprise you. The first thing is to remove all your stuff. That means all your furniture and everything that is not nailed, screwed, or glued down. A good way to think of this is like an apartment clean out. You do not need to steam clean the carpets or wash the walls. A light cleaning and a quick vacuum will be a good thing to do.
Most of the time, your major appliances are going to be negotiated into the purchase contract, and they'll need to stay. Also, during the offer process, we'll talk about things like the water softener, bathroom mirrors, decor that's mounted to the wall like coat hooks, and window treatments that you'll need to leave behind as well. Basic rule of thumb, if it's something that's hung on the wall and it needs a tool to take it down or take it out, it stays. If it's just hanging on a nail and you lift it up and bring it with, it goes.
Some commonly forgotten sections of the home are the area beneath the sinks, the last load of dishes in the dishwasher, and the last load of laundry in the washer and dryer.
The biggest culprit on closing day is in the garage. While the contract states that personal property and debris must be removed, there may be items in the garage such as building supplies, paint, hose reels that you may think are of value to the buyer. However, they may not. If there are items you'd like to leave behind, please put them in an email and we will present that to the other agent to determine whether they should stay or go.
Extra keys and garage door openers can be left right on the counter for the new buyers. Make sure to gather any spare keys from neighbors or friends, as well as keys you may have hidden around the property.
We want to make sure that closing goes nice and smoothly for you. By taking these steps, we're going to be ensuring that it goes as smoothly as possible. If you have any additional questions about something that may not have been covered, please don't hesitate to reach out and give one of us a call. We at the Summit Real Estate team are excited to be working with you and excited to be on the home stretch.